Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Gold-Arte Studio. That's a 10 by 10 inch canvas. This would usually be my Artist Loft White mixed with GAC 800 and Floetrol, and you can ask me about that recipe, but I've added some of my Sherwin-Williams White Satin House Paint, about 50-50, with the original mix. And I'm wishing that my turntable wasn't unlevel, because it seems a little unlevel. And I'm going to try, I just made a nebula using my blow dryer, which I don't use enough. I'm going to try and blow this out. It's not really a bloom if it's not house paint in the middle, I don't think. This is my Indian Spice Gold. I want to use, I hope I can get some crabapple. Indian Spice is Prizm pour. Crabapple is a primary element that I've been draining this bottle for I don't know how long. It's time to find the original bottle and mix some more. Here is some Red Violet Vivid Intense Fluorescent that I added Golden Diamonds to. Golden Diamonds is a primary element. I do seem to have something hanging off of there that doesn't want to be there. Then I'm going to do some Alizeran Rose. That's another Vivid Intense. I don't think it's fluorescent, but it's beautiful. I'm going to switch back to some Sour Lemon with Orange Crush in it. And I'm going to risk a little. That was a Prizm pour. This is Wild Orchid. Oh yeah, that's very different than the Red Violet. That's good. That's really what I wanted. I can't get the top back in right now. Then I've got some Snapdragon. And I want some more. Do I want Alizeran Rose or do I just want to go for the Jasmine? That's Pink Diamond. Hang on. I wanted some yellow, and I have some, but it makes me awful nervous to use it. It might turn green with that Snapdragon too. Definitely want to end that yellow with the Jasmine. Every time I think I'm going to just use a few colors, this is the same thing happens every time. Look for the Colourarte coupon code for 20% off. I'm a Colourarte affiliate. I am going to probably put Cell Activator, Australian Floetrol, and Amsterdam Black right in the center of this and blow it out. And then I might use my blow dryer afterwards. Or not. But I am planning on using, I'm not sure this is going to work. I'm going to use my blow dryer after all. I want some orange, and I've got plenty of paint, and what I really want to do is change everything, use my spatula and just experiment like crazy. That's Saffron Prism Pour. And more of the Red Violet Vivid Intense. Right hand side. I might put some white cell activator in after this. I'm thinking to myself I would like some Snapdragon next. And by the time I'm done with this, there will be enough paint. I'm thinking Snapdragon and maybe some Royal Sapphire. Snapdragon is primary element. Royal Sapphire is a prism pour. I just can't do anything the normal way, I don't think. So do I want white or I'm going to go with black. I really do want to try the white, but it's not time yet. I'll let those go down toward the center. If I spread a little paint before I tip, it's a conveyance to make the rest of it move better. I don't really want to do much of anything to this in here, but I don't think I have a choice now that I've started. I kind of have to finish. So I'm going back to, where did I hide the Jasmine? And I think it's a toss-up between the Prussian Violet, although I kind of like that. I kind of want to go in both directions. Prussian Violet is is a primary element. And here is the Wild Orchid. But I think I want both. Actually, I'm going for the Alizeran Rose. I might be sorry. I might want some of this sour lemon. I am going to split the difference and try and move over and up. And I never did do any white. Maybe I'll do a little white in between. It's plugged. Now it's on me. Some of that is right in the middle of my glasses. I think by the time I'm done tipping, I kind of want to go in there and out, but I've got to, no. I'm just going to do what I came to do, but I'm really not satisfied unless I put some orange in there. I really want to go from here out, but I can't go the whole way. And that red in there is that Alizeran Rose, and that is gorgeous. Probably going to wind up pouring off a fair amount of this. I don't mind the white. Just never know what I'm going to do. This is definitely one of those times. I kind of want an edge catcher. I'm going to throw that in the bucket. Actually, I'm just going to wipe it off with my sponge, which I keep in the bucket. Now I have to decide what else. I really like what I've got. So, I'm going to use my edge catcher. Let's see what happens if we move some paint. I like this best. I don't want to lose that right now. I like all of this right as it is. I don't want to lose any of it right now. I suppose I could paint the edges black. I did put GAC 800 by Golden. I'm going to lose that black center no matter what I do. But it might be fairly stunning. Move the paint down. Swivel the painting around. Use the paint on the edge. To cover the edge. Can't do a whole lot else without putting a thumbprint in the edge of the canvas. I'm not unhappy with that. I might want to come back that way again. But in order to cover this last side, I'm going to be messy. There's just no doubt about it. And no avoiding it either. I'm dripping everywhere. I want to tip it down and then bring it back again. Definitely didn't keep enough of that Alizeran rose that I loved. I think I have all four sides covered and enough paint left on my edge catcher to cover anything that's missing. I'd like to keep that paint on my edge catcher. I don't think I'm going to have a problem with... Let me get the paint off my hands real quick. I hope that I'm just going to be satisfied with what I've got. But I do have tweezers which make it easy to decide to... I like this. Ha! Okay then. I've got a little acetate tool, and you can always ask me if I forget the video. You can definitely ask me. I'm going to grab some of this paint right off my edge catcher. Match it up with the part that's missing. That's all covered. And then my edge catcher is stunning. I'll be keeping that. Using it for a collage or something. Pick up my paint. Let it fall right down in the spot it needs to go. They don't look like anything else, but I got cells this time anyway. But that's my lacing procedure. That works out really well anyway. I have to say I'm a swipeaholic. There's no doubt about it. Throw that in the bucket. Which way did I say I liked it best? I don't remember now. I think it was this way. I'm not sure anymore. But I am going to shimmer this at you. And then I'm going to just to show you, check out how cool my edge catcher is. That's pretty awesome. I've got more. those cells down there, the huge ones, they're pretty cool, I gotta say. That's pretty nice. I like it. Alright, and I used up my time. I do see a couple bubbles. I will be hitting it with a torch really quickly. Please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you leave a comment, you help me out. Oh, the gold sparkle in there is gorgeous. Wow. This is really, really pretty nice. It doesn't look like anything else either, which is, I like that about it. I like that every time that happens. I could keep tipping this, I know, and probably lose a whole lot of stuff that I love. But I'm hoping that the GAC 800 that's in my paint mixture will help me save it, and we won't know until 100% tomorrow. I see a little tiny spot. Anyway, so where was I? I have 31 playlists with 100 videos you can watch, and they're also organized by topic and genre, so if you like something, let me know. My paint pouring recipe, such as it is, will be underneath the video, and you can ask me about the special Artist Loft Sherwin-Williams combination if you'd like to. I do sell my artwork. I do have an email address. It's easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com, and you can inquire there about lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Questions are encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. I post at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be nice if I was in square with the camera. I'm doing the best I can. Spring clothing underneath the video. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are all in the description. On my link tree, you're going to find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and a couple of websites. The Gallerist, Society 6, and the clothing under the video is from Spring. And you can have pretty much anything that I make reproduced and added to all over prints and most of those places. I like that there's some white negative space in there too. It's pretty cool. What am I forgetting? My Amazon link. My 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They're the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube about paint pouring. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out eventually, sometimes. Thank you for the donations through PayPal. They keep me here for everybody who can't afford to take a lesson. And thank you for those of you who joined the membership. It's $9.99 a month, and basically it's between you and me. You're keeping me going here. So thank you so much. And I hope you're enjoying the 200 videos for members only. Anyway, I love you guys. You inspire me always. I hope you come again. Whatever I'm forgetting, you'll see in another video. I don't think I'm forgetting much. I love you. You inspire me always. I said that twice. Oh well. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.